Here's some Anthropology of Food trivia. Subscribe. Which cuisine features the dish sushi? Is it A, Thai, B, Korean, C, Chinese, or D, Japanese? The correct answer is D, Japanese. What is the primary cooking fat used in Mediterranean diets? Is it A, coconut oil, B, olive oil, C, canola oil, or D, butter? The correct answer is B, olive oil. Which staple grain is central to many East African diets? Is it A, sorghum, B, rice, C, wheat, or D, barley? The correct answer is A, sorghum. What is the name of the traditional Mexican corn dough? Is it A, donut, B, pita, C, masa, or D, crepe? The correct answer is C, masa. What type of soup is associated with Vietnam? Is it A, ramen, B, pho, C, tom yum, or D, minestrone? The correct answer is B, pho. What is called the art of fermenting various foods? Is it A, pickling, B, fermentation, C, dehydration, or D, canning? The correct answer is B, fermentation. Which South American crop is known as a superfood? Is it A, quinoa, B, barley, C, rice, or D, cassava? The correct answer is A, quinoa. What is the common ingredient in both miso and soy sauce? Is it A, wheat, B, corn, C, peas, or D, soybeans? The correct answer is D, soybeans. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.